Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you through the process of enabling birthday notifications for others on Snapchat. If you want your friends and loved ones to receive notifications and celebrate your special day, this full guide will show you how. Step 1. Open the Snapchat app on your device. Locate the Snapchat icon, either on your home screen or in the app drawer, and tap on it to launch the app. Step 2. Once the app is open, you'll find the profile icon in the top left corner of the screen. Tap on it to access your Snapchat profile. Step 3. In your profile, look for the gear icon located in the top right corner. This is the Snapchat settings icon. Tap on it to enter the settings menu. Step 4. Inside the settings menu, scroll down until you find the birthday option. Tap on it to access your birthday settings. Step 5. Within the birthday settings, you'll see an option labeled Birthday Party. Tap on it to enable birthday notifications for others. By following these steps, you can ensure that your friends and loved ones receive notifications and join in the celebration of your special day on Snapchat. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.